Okay, and summarizing a function terminology. Here we go. It's basically a relationship between two variables such that each, you have an independent variable corresponds to exactly one dependent variable, or sometimes referred to that y is the f of x. F is simply the name of the function. Y is the dependent variable or the output variable, and x is the independent variable or input, meaning it determines the other, and f of x is simply the value of the function at x. Or another way of saying f of x is also y. It's also y. All right? The domain is the set of all values or inputs of the independent variable for which the function is defined. And x is the domain of f if f is said to be defined at x. It is not in the domain of f if it is undefined at x. And the range is the range of a function. It's a set of all the y values, outputs, or y value. Domain is x, y, assumed by a dependent variable that is the set of all function variables, values, meaning it is also the y. And an implied domain is defined by an algebraic expression. Even though the domain is not specified, it's implied, consists of real numbers for which the expression is defined. An example of that was a volume problem. Even though negative values might work mathematically in the formula, do you ever have something you measure that is negative to put into a problem? No. Then that's an implied domain. An implied domain really applies with application problems, because yeah, you can get an answer for a negative, but it doesn't practically make or work.